Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Today topic is about natural acceptance and experimental validation as the process for self-exploration. And I am Sonia Sharma, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Engineering Department in Chandigarh Engineering College, Chanjeri, Mohali. So let us begin with the very first simple topic: self-exploration. What is self-exploration? It is a process to find out what is valuable to me, basically to investigate by myself, since it is me who feel happy, successful, unhappy and unsuccessful. Therefore, what is right for me is to be judged by myself. Through self exploration we get the value of ourselves. We live with different entirely family, friend, air, soil, water, but we want to understand our relationship with all these. For this we need to start observing inside. It is start from by us. It soon become a dialogue with your own self. According to the Marian website, the examination analyze one own unrealized spiritual or intelligent capacity. The main focus of self exploration is myself, the human being. But the basic content of self exploration is answer to the following fundamental goal. What is my desire? How to want to live in? What is a goal in human life? In short, question cover the whole domain: human inspiration and human desire. Purpose of the self is it is the process of the dialogues between me and you. To begin, it soon become a dialogue. It is a process of dialogue between what I am and my natural acceptance. It is the process of self exploration and self investment. It is a process of knowing oneself through the self, knowing nature and the entire. It is a process of recognizing one's relationship with every unit, and fulfilling that relationship. It is a process knowing human conduct and living according to it. It is a process of living in harmony in oneself. Basically, the process of self exploration include keen observer focusing on a straight emotion, chasing straight emotion, identify core values, knowing life for determination and responsibility. What is the purpose of it? Purpose of the self exploration is what you are really want to be. It is a purpose of self evaluation, purpose of knowing oneself, purpose of recognition relationship with every unit in existence, purpose of process of knowing human conduct, process of being in harmony, process of knowing moving towards a self organization. What is the difference between next is what is the difference between natural acceptance and experimental validation? Natural acceptance given independent choice what is acceptable, experimental validation and what one end up accepting. Natural acceptance, peer pressure. Example: relationship, food for health, mobile for communication, sometimes relationship, sometimes opposition, sometimes food for health, and sometimes food for taste, sometimes food for communication. Nature acceptance means we have to accept the thing as they are. Nature be example: relationship, food for health, mobile for communication under the given circumstances. It is also believe. It is also refer to the absence of any expectation from the other one. We freely and truly commit ourselves on the basis of nature. We feel a holistic sense of inner harmony. Whatever we have to admit or to agree that clearly. Experimental validation is the process that infuse direct experience with the learning environment. As what one ends up accepting peer pressure, sometimes relationship, sometimes opposition, and sometimes food for health. It may be regarded as a psychology and mathematical. Self-exploration take place in the self, not in the body. This is a basically in this we learn about the what is the difference between natural acceptance, experimental, what is natural acceptance, purpose of the self exploration, process of the self exploration, and what is the self expression. I hope this session is very clear to all of you. And now we learn about the main difference between the self and experimental validation, and what is the main function of the self exploration. After self exploration, how one can lead a very beautiful and good life. Thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow again. Have